Hello friends, hope everyone is doing good. And today we planned a one-day trip to Medak. In this one-day trip, we plan to visit Medak Church, Medak Fort and Wildlife Sanctuary. And this Medak city offers a good trip from Hyderabad. The roads are excellent throughout and we started in the morning and reached Medak Church around 11 a.m. I already done a video about Medak Fort and I'm posting that link in the description. Please to watch the Medak Fort video. And finally we are at the Medak Church and here we have to park the car and it's completely free of charge. Distance by road between Hyderabad and Medak is 91 kilometers and the traveling time is 2 hours. After parking the car, we have to walk for 10 minutes to the church. We planned this Medak church on a weekday and do not go on Sunday for visiting purpose because of the service and because the interior room is jam-packed and it will be difficult to explore which depict the life of the Christ. This is the entrance of the church and behind you can see the beautiful front view of the church. You can see the worship timings here. The Cathedral Church is open daily from 7 a.m. to 6 p.m. for public viewing and for silent prayers. This Medak Church construction is started in 1914 and completed in 1924 and it took almost a decade to complete the construction of this church. Medak Church is one of the largest churches in India and this church is built by Charles Walker Fascinate and this Medak Church is the most visited churches in South India too. At a time, 5,000 people can gather and pray in this church. The Medak Church is the second largest in the world after the Vatican. Before going inside the church, we have to leave our footwear outside. And now we are going inside the church and there the phones are not allowed to record anything inside the church. So we switched off our phones. So I could not able to capture the inside view. And this is the side view of the church. The inside view of the church is so beautiful and amazing and the brilliant work of the architecture and the stunning stained glass panels are so beautiful to watch. And here you can see the church side view and here the garden is very attractive and kids can have lot of fun. And also the garden is well maintained and we have a sitting area here and we clicked some cool pictures here and it's really nice to be here at this Medak church. It is said that Nizam Hyderabad has one condition that the Medak church should not be built taller than the Charminar. Otherwise, this Medak church have been much taller. And this is the side entrance of the church. In my view, it's worth visiting the Medak church and the most beautiful church I have ever visited. Everyone believe that if we wish for something here and it is definitely granted, and once your wish is fulfilled, then we should come back and give thanks to the Lord. This is a must go place because if you have not seen large churches in Europe, and here we can peacefully enjoy the beauty of cathedral and spend some prayerful time in the church. After visiting the Medak church, we went to the Medak fort. From the Medak fort, we can see the Medak church. If you like this video, please do share, subscribe and comment, and see you all in the next video. Bye.